rocks going up that way, and we think that's a trail.
Oh yeah, maybe.
But this is a trail.
But it does look like a trail, I guess. Line is over there, guys. The tree marked is over there.
I'm saying this is a forgotten trail. I saw a trail there.
Okay, keep going.
Really stop it. It's quiet. And that's because you're going to make me sick.
Melee.
No,
Yeah, so you don't stop your big boy.
we climb like a Superman, like whoever. Huh.
Keep going, Bozo.
Don't hurt it. You doing good, Asher? I'm doing good. Alright. Where you going, Jax? Y'all can keep going. Yeah, go just follow Jackson. Asher, you're doing great for being so tiny.
Because he's a McElhaney.
You're a McElhaney. This is actually really cool. Okay, so not only did we take the expert trail and go the wrong way, when we came down the mountain, we came down the wrong way. So we were like, oh my goodness, this isn't the parking lot that we came in at. Which kind of freaked me out a little bit because I was like, we've been out here for 2 hours. What we just endured was amazing. Awful with 3 kids. I mean, it would have been fine, but couldn't do it again. Anyways, so we are going to now have to find our car, which happens to be on the other side of the mountain. But I think there's a base trail that we can take. Let's see how long this takes us. Woohoo! Happy kids, happy kids. I'm out of town and I thought instead of making a food recipe, I'm gonna do apple cinnamon apples, which are really, really good. This is not my house.
Ooh.
This is not my house, so I'm gonna have to just deal with what I have. And also, that's why if it looks a little messy in here, because this lady is a clutter bug. Also don't have any aluminum foil, and I don't feel like going to the store because I just had to go to the store to get this stuff, so I'm gonna have to improvise. So we'll see how it turns out. But anyway, here we go. It said 2 large apples. It said 2 large apples. I couldn't find large apples, so I got small apples, and I just got 3 instead of 2. I'm gonna stand back here. There's not a tripod because I'm not at home. So I'm gonna wash the apples. And I have to find everything. It's not my catch. Got any grapes? Okay. I just wanted to wash everything because this place is bug infested. Now we're gonna experiment, and for you people out there who cook all the time, that cook all the time, you probably already know how this is gonna turn out. You're supposed to use tinfoil, and I can't find any tinfoil in this house. So I'm instead gonna stick the apples in here and put the lid on it, and we're gonna see how that turns out. So start by preheating the oven to 400, I think is what it is. 2 large apples, cored and cut vertically. But like I said, we're doing 3 since I didn't have large apples. And then just scoop out the middle, just cut around the edge. Unless you have a fancy little scooper thingy, because some people do. Alright, so really like this is fine. You might cut like a little extra hole kind of to make it deeper or whatever. Stick that in there. Yeah, if this is all I have, I need more than that. You really have no tablespoon, no teaspoon. Oh, she has the fancy stuff. Okay, it's dirty too. Half a cup of raw oats. So I don't know where her other stuff is, so I'm just gonna have to use this kind of measuring. And since I can't really see how accurate it is, I'm gonna put a few extra because I have a little extra apple pop. 1/4 cup of stevia, and just so happens she likes stevia. We are gonna guesstimate, but we're gonna. Okay. Alright, so I'm like totally having to wing this whole thing because she doesn't have the proper kitchen measurement and all this clutter. She doesn't. Just kidding. But she doesn't seem to be a baker. So I'm guesstimating typically like 1/4 cup would be a half of a cup obviously. But this 1/3 is right there, which is making me feel like this is already probably more than, I don't know, we're gonna just see. And I mean, this actually is super easy. Oh, it said 1/4 cup minus 1 tablespoon. So, TBH, I have no idea how to use any of this. Oh, 1 tablespoon right there. So I'm gonna scoop back out a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. A 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and then the last one is 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So 1/4 of salt. So I'm just gonna kind of chop this brown sugar up and mix it up a little bit before I put the peanut butter in there. So that this mixture is pretty mixed. And then I'm just gonna add the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and mix that up. These were supposed to be tin foiled. I know it's not gonna have the same outcome, but we're gonna do the best we can and just see what it tastes like. So I'm just packing it in the middle. This is probably gonna be a slight mess because, like I said, I don't have the tin foil. And just so y'all know, we just missed it. We should have videoed it, but there was a big wolf spider and it had babies on it. So when it got smashed, the babies ran everywhere. So if you are an Airbnb owner, if you send your, probably good to get pest control, just because you're gonna have people like us who aren't used to bugs. But you either make a deeper hole, which might be the better option, but since it's too late and I'm kind of like not a perfectionist, I just get things done. You stick them in the oven. For 40 minutes, I believe. So, okay, if you're doing this at home, wrap your apples in tin foil, each one of them individually, okay? Because you're gonna cook them for 40 minutes and then you're gonna take them out, open the top of the tin foil, and then cook them for an additional 5 minutes. I don't, for the 15th time, have that option. I'm gonna stick them there like this and hope for the best, and then I'll just take the lid off for the last 5 minutes. So I got them out, and Jackson already got one, so there's a hole here. But it just as I figured, they definitely look a little more dry. They're still really good. Sour. So, these are definitely not picturesque, but they're still very tasty. And, like I said, if you put the tin foil on them, they'll be even more tasty. They won't be dry.